Good morning, Dr. Smith. It's great to see you again. Yeah, I'm glad we found the time to meet up again so we can pick up where we left off. If I remember correctly, you wanted to discuss the new concept of pro-tumor inflammation. You're right, this is an old concept, but now we have some new evidence to support this role in cancer. As you may know, inflammation has been identified as one of the several pathologic mechanisms involved in the development of cancer. And in the past decade, it was recognized as one of the hallmarks of cancer. Inflammation can be involved in all phases of tumorigenesis, from tumor initiation to development, progression, and metastasis. It's true that inflammation can be both tumor promoting and tumor suppressive, and this is dependent on the type of balance of immune cells involved. On the tumor promoting side, we have tumor associated macrophages, myeloid-derived suppressor cells, regulatory dendritic cells, regulatory T cells, and tumor-associated neutrophils. On the other hand, natural killer cells and CD8 plus cytotoxic T cell are tumor suppressive cells. Unregulated inflammation becomes chronic inflammation, creating an immunosuppressive microenvironment within the tumor, which helps tumor development and suppresses anti-tumor immunity.